In this video, let's talk about another very powerful business skill, and that's talking in features versus benefits. And when you're an engineer, you have a tendency to talk about features. Oh, I built this way to log in. I built this way to upload a picture. My database is so fast. Nobody cares that much, except you, of course, because you put your sweat and blood into it, but maybe not blood, but your sweat. But features are generally boring, and everybody wants benefits. So you have to speak in benefits, and we're going to go over how to do that. What I'd like you to do for this exercise is take your product, describe it as you would now, and what we're going to do is try to turn it into, probably you've described it in terms of features. Let's actually turn it into benefits. Now, what are benefits that people want? There's only a couple of main benefits that people ever want, and every other benefit stems from those benefits. So people want security, a sense of belonging, a sense of being loved. That's all they want, and every other benefit is built on top of it. People don't want to lose weight. They just want to be more attractive so they can find love, right? People don't want Facebook. They want to stay in touch with people. They want to show how cool they are. They want all those things. Sometimes they want to make money on Facebook. Also, that's a reason, that's a good benefit, right? Security, wealth, it really stems from human needs, and everything else is just a way to get there. So you can think of features are just a way to really get to the benefits. And nobody wants the features, because the feature of losing weight is like you have to exercise, you have to eat. That's really not only boring, but like actually nobody wants to do exercise and eat right, but people want that benefit of those things. So let's do an example of Instagram. What are the benefits of Instagram? And then you're going to do an example for your business. So what are the benefits? Connect with friends, build relationships. Maybe if you're a business, you want to grow a following, you want to make money for your business by promoting things on Instagram or getting clients from Instagram. So you want to build your brand for your business. And so it's either, you see, it stems from only two things: making money on Instagram or making it somehow advantageous to you socially. That sense of belonging, sense of security. What you could say about Instagram that would be wrong, that would be features, would be like, you can post pictures. Nobody cares about just posting pictures. You can look at pictures. Well, nobody cares. I mean, pretty pictures, okay, but it's just very shallow. Pretty pictures is just very shallow entertainment. What are you really looking for? So try to, make an account, follow friends. Nobody really, following friends is less exciting than building strong relationships with friends. Building strong relationships will be closer to the benefit. Following and unfollowing, that's just how you do it. That's the muck of it. You don't want to advertise that. You don't want to lead with that. That's just not exciting. And you always want to be exciting and compelling when you're trying to get people to use your product. So you can always explain it the engineering way, like you can make an account and write a description about yourself and schedule appointments, whatever maybe some other software you're creating might be. But those things are so boring. Nobody ever wants to do that. People want the benefit of your software. What's the benefit of your software? It might be easiest, fastest way to schedule business appointments so you never lose clients and you save time and money. Okay, people want to do that. People want to save time and money. They don't want to schedule anything. They don't want to be organized. They just want the benefit of being organized. So now list 5 things about your business. Hopefully it's already going to be in form of benefits. If it isn't, rephrase it into benefits.